Hey,
everybody seems to be staring at me. You, all of you, how dare you to stare at me? Why? Is it because I'm a bad boy? A bad boy I am. A good for nothing teenager. A problem child? That's what you're calling me. I'm small, I'm weak, I gamble at my young tender age. I lie, I cheat, and I would even kill if I have to. Yes, I'm a bad boy, but where are my parents? You are my good parents, my good elder brother and sister in this society where I live. Look at me. What have you done to me? You have pampered and spoiled me, neglected me when I needed you most, entrusted me to a yaya whose intelligence was much lower than mine, while you go about your parties, your meetings, and gambling sessions. Thus, I drifted away from you, longing for a father's love, yearning for a mother's care. As I grew up, everything changed. You too have changed. You spend more time in your corner, mahjong tables, bars, and nightclubs. You even landed on the headlines of the newspaper as crooks, peddlers, and racketeers. Now you call me names, accuse me of everything I do to myself,